the gradient tool, and I have instructions, of course. I'm telling you to use, for gradient number 1, we're going to do a sunset. Create a square shape, select linear gradient. So here we go. First I'm going to do a square shape. Of course, if you hit shift, and I already have some colors in, but I'm asking you to create select a linear gradient, set the gradient at 90 degrees so that it stretches, and I'll show you how we can do all these things. So go to Windows, open up gradient if you don't already have it open. Move this over a little bit. Okay, so you can see here these, I'm just going to have blue for right now. Okay, and we'll add other ones in. Okay, so you can see this is a linear gradient. This is a radial one, so it's radiating out. Okay, and then you also have the freeform gradient. But so I asked for linear. Okay, and 90 degrees. So I'm going to, we can change that in a second, but you'll need to select 3 colors: red, orange, and yellow. Let's do our colors first. Okay. So in here, we're going to double click and our palette comes up, and I said red, orange. You can, go red and then orange. So I'm going to go back up here and double click, and you see one pops up. Now I'm going to head to orange, and then I'm going to double click on this one. I want to do yellow for this one. Okay, so we've got red, orange, and yellow. Okay, so these, you can see these little dots up here, they make it more red, or they make it the amount of how gradual the change is, basically. And then these, you can slide and make it more yellow or more orange, however you want. I kind of like that one there. Okay, and then I asked it to be 90 degrees, so we're going to change it to 90 degrees. And it goes up and down like that. Okay. There's also this gradient tool over here, and you can click on this, and this pops up. And again, the same thing. If you want to change the color, it's like the bigger. See? If you want to change the amount of gradient, okay, you can also change the opacity. So right now it's at 100% color. You can go to like 70%, and it's going to look more faded because it's not 100% color. Also, I should have talked about, to make sure that you have it in color. Typically, it's in the grayscale. So let me... usually it's the grayscale, but mine did not pop up like that. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my swatches real quick. And you can see in here that yours might be a grayscale, it might be RGB or CMYK. I'm going to stick with RGB because I liked how that looked. Okay. And that's pretty much all for this that I can think of right now. For the next one, you're going to do cat eyes. Create 2 circles, choose the radial gradient, sorry. Select 2 colors. I want the outside green, the inside needs to be yellow and transparent, 0% opacity, okay? Next, add a large black football shape between your gradient. Remember the Pathfinder worksheet. You can go back to that so that you've created a football with that. You can go back to that sheet if you need to. You can do number 3. Hold off on number 4. I'll have another video for number 4. There's a lot to do. It's not intuitive like this one. Okay? Thanks for watching.